Are you still rapping like that? Stop. There's a better way. Using semantic HTML improves accessibility, SEO, and readability. The problem with overusing divs: no meaning. Search engines and screen readers don't understand divs. Poor accessibility. Screen readers ignore divs unless you add ARIA roles. Harder to maintain. Non-semantic markup confuses developers reading your code. Here is an example of code with all divs. This tells search engines and screen readers nothing. Solution: use semantic tags. They describe purpose, improving both SEO and accessibility. Header. For page or section headers. Navigation menus. Main. Main content of the page. Section. Groups related content. Article. Self-contained content, such as blog posts, news. Aside. Sidebars, related content. Footer. Page or section footer. Use divs only when there's no better semantic alternative.